TFNN. Headline News Update.
Welcome, everybody. Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. It's 1 p.m. Eastern Time, middle of the trading day on Friday. Let's check in on the markets as we have some volatility to kick things off for the final day of the trading week. Jump over. Currently, Dow Jones negative by 107 points, trading at 24,165. You're looking at an S&P negative by 15 points, trading at 2632, and NASDAQ negative by 52 points, trading at 6821. All major indices off the intraday lows, that is for sure. We'll jump over, and what is driving this market? Let's look at some of the headlines before we break into the charting action. Stocks fall on report that Michael Flynn was directed by Trump to talk to Russians. So you have Michael Flynn out there pleading guilty to one count of lying to investigators, and with that, different reports coming out there, one of which at around just after 11 o'clock with ABC News reporting that Flynn's prepared to testify that Trump and the team around Trump directed him to make contact with the Russians. So lots going on out there with the markets. And then as the markets react, gold and other safe haven trades surge as investors fear Trump economic agenda in jeopardy. And then let's jump to crude. You have oil prices spiking toward 2.5-year highs as OPEC extends output cuts. Okay, we have all the headlines. Now let's jump into the charting action so you can understand this movement. There's the euro US dollar. So there's about 11 o'clock. There's where the news breaks of Michael Flynn. So you have the euro spiking higher as the market reacts, pulling back a bit. Euro trading right now right at about 119. There's the S&P 500. So quite a run, and we've bounced back considerably. You had the market going from about 2650 all the way to below 2610. We've rebounded nicely now. Market trading 2635. 3 hours left till in the trading day. We'll see where it leads us. NASDAQ 100, similar pattern, quite a move, 6360 all the way down to almost 6240. Talking about 110 point move, dramatic, and then it's almost all the way back up, 6328 in the NASDAQ 100. There's the gold contract again on that on that news, going from 1277 all the way to above 1290, pulling back now. Gold trading 1285. And we'll finish it up with crude as well on that OPEC news, trading above 58.80, almost reaching $59, pulling back a bit, currently trading 58.32 on that January contract. Stay tuned. We have our man Steve Rhodes coming up right now. Then, of course, we got our man David White at 2 o'clock, and Tom O'Brien rounds out the afternoon at 3 o'clock. And I'll talk to you next hour for a top-of-the-hour update at TFNN.com.